Okay, here's the second video for finding area of triangles. For these triangles, the scenario is this. You're going to have, let me show you like this one right here. You're going to have to find the area of a triangle, and it has to be side. You're going to have a side angle side. They say side angle side, S-A-S. Side angle side. It has to be the angle and the other two sides right next to it. So side angle side. So this angle A, obviously you're not going to use side A. It'll be side C and B. So for that reason, and let's take a look at the formula here. Again, you know the triangle, the vertices are the angles, the capital letters, the lowercase are the sides. And why are there three formulas? Well, because it depends on which angle it is, right? If it's angle A, it has to be these two sides B and C. You won't be using side A. If it's angle A, so the area for a triangle where you know angle A, well, we'll be using side BC. And it's the same for the other ones. If it's this angle here, it's these two sides AC, right? And if it's angle C, it's these two sides here, A and B. So really it's the same formula. It's not three different ones, right? It just depends which angle it is that you have. So what is the formula? Well, the area is to take half of what? The product of side B and C times sine of whatever that angle A is. And it's the same for the other ones. So multiply the two sides times sine of the angle and then divide it by 2, take half of it. So let's take a look at one here, and then we'll look at the example here in the book, and then we'll work one out ourselves here. Again, it's a super easy formula, right? So half is to divide by 2, side B times side C times sine of the angle. All right, let's look at this one here. Here it says, here's our triangle here. Oh, again, remember, back here you should have been able to pause it and copy these down, but here we go. Okay, so looking at this one here, again, you don't have the three sides, you have side angle side, right? Side angle side. So if it's this one, you got to use this formula here. Again, they're not using A, B, and C, but we understand that we're going to take half of what? Half of multiply the two sides, which in this case are the 7 and the 10 and G and H, right? They changed it to G and H, but we can keep it to A, B, C. Multiply the two sides, G and H, and then sine of whatever the angle is, 108. So that's what's happening here. 7 times 10 times sine 08. Find 7 times 10 times sine 08, then divide it by 2, right? Half is to divide by 2. And then that's it. You get the area. The answer is 33.3. So this one's a much easier formula here, right? When you have the side angle side. Remember the first one we just had three sides. Okay, let's do one by ourselves here. All right, let me put the triangle here. You guys can pause it right about now. Copy it down. And they didn't label this one A, B, and C, so let us do that. Right? Don't put FDE. Let's keep it simple for us and not have to change and look at a bunch of different letters. So I mean, it doesn't really matter. The formula is too easy, but anyways, A, B, C. And what is the formula again for that area? Well, let me put it over here. Area is equal to, it says, and again I'm using angle A, take half of what? multiplying the two sides will not be the side with the a. So it's half of what? B times C times what? Sine of a. Sine of the angle A. All right, well, there's only one angle and there's two sides. There's only one angle and two sides. Okay, so the area is equal to, take half is to divide it by 2. So I'm just going to put it like this. B times C is, well, 13 times 4. Doesn't matter which way you multiply it. 13 times 4. Sine of what? In this case, A is 51. All right, let me do that in my calculator. What is sine of 51? I get that times what? 13 times 4 is equal to that. 40.41 and then divided by 2. Well, you're going to get divided by 2. 20.20. That's it. I'll put 20.2. And that's a simple formula for finding the area. If the scenario is side, angle, side, right? Okay, that's it. Good luck. Too easy.